Hey. No, not the hiccups. Not the hiccups. Good morning. Today is Thursday, October the 8th. Roman's 12 weeks old. In 2 more days, he'll be 3 months old. Just drank some milk, and I always usually get the hiccups right after. Yeah, you do, don't you? They're getting to where they get on your nerves. Don't they? They get on your nerves and aggravate you? Make you mad? Roman, do they make you mad? Grumpy? You sure a cute little baby. Cute little baby. You gonna give me a smile? You gonna give me a smile? Please? Not right now? Roman. Roman Thomas Seal. Hey. Hey. I see you waving. You should be getting sleepy, but you're not. Yeah, you should be wanting to take a nap. I slept for 8 hours last night. Well, no, Mommy slept for 8 hours. Roman slept for like an hour and 9.5 hours. Yeah, you slept for a long time. You got lots of sleep. Lots of sleep. Alrighty. Turning it off.